Namaste everyone. In this video we will see how we can install WooCommerce plugin. So WooCommerce is used for the online store functionality. So this plugin is free and you can use it in your WordPress installation. Now I logged into the Ananta Naturals dashboard. You need to click on the plugins on the navigation panel and click on add new. Go to the popular section in the add plugins page. Search for the WooCommerce plugin. You will see the first link. It is by Automattic. Click on install now. This is one way of installing. Other way is going through their website. So in case if you wanted to download the WooCommerce plugin directly from the WooCommerce site, you can go to the woocommerce.com, then log in with your wordpress.com credentials. So you need to have wordpress.com credentials to log in into the WooCommerce site. So you need to sign up with them, then use that credential to log in. I already have the wordpress.com credentials account, so I am logging into that. I can download the products. You will see on right hand side you will see a link, download your products. If you click there, you will see an option to download the WooCommerce. So you can download it. So once you download, you can click on the upload plugin and upload that zip file, then it will come, or else that is the option 2 and this is the option 1. Okay, so I'm going with the option 1 directly from this site itself. I'm installing. I'm clicking on the install. It takes some time for the installation. Now WooCommerce is installed. You need to activate that plugin. So click on activate. Is activated, it will ask you for few of the details to set up your store, payment, shipping and other details which are required to run the online store. It will capture all those details. Then after that you will be able to upload the products. Let's go and dive into that. These settings are very particular to the store which I am creating. Based on your context, based on your area, these values will change. So we are in store setup. I've entered the store location, which country it is, and the address of that particular store, and the pin code of that particular store, and the currency I have entered, and I'm planning to sell the physical products, but by default I have selected the digital products also. And I finish this page, going on to the next field. So currently for this store we don't have the PayPal payments. I'm disabling the PayPal payments. I'm going to collect the payments offline. So in the offline, cash on delivery, bank transfer, check payments will come. So payment section is done. Now we are continuing further. So we are going to use the kilograms and the product dimension. We will use the centimeters and shipping zones. At present, I'm just disable that, and also the locations which we are not going to deliver. In the recommended tab, we are going to use the storefront theme, and this will deactivate the 2017 theme will be deactivated. And the MailChimp integration, right now we will not do that. You can check our earlier video about MailChimp and WordPress installation. I will uncheck this and keep the storefront theme. Currently I will skip this Jetpack connection with the WooCommerce. We will activate that later. So I have given email ID for the communication. I am completing the installation. or setup of the WooCommerce right now by clicking on visit dashboard. So your WooCommerce installation is done and few of the basic settings are completed. So we are going to do more deeper into those settings like Jetpack and other stuff in other videos. And in case if you wanted to do customize any of the WooCommerce settings, you can come to the navigation panel, WooCommerce. You can click on WooCommerce, orders, coupons, reports, settings, stats and extensions will be there. In the settings, you can configure the activities whatever we have done. This is how you will install WooCommerce plugin in the WordPress theme.